we're not seeing any major snowstorms coming through anytime soon. We do have snow in the forecast for tomorrow, but it's just because of a cold front coming through. So it's going to be scattered snow. We might have some brief heavier bouts of snow at times tomorrow afternoon, but I still don't think it's really going to be amounting to much. And again, it is going to be scattered in nature. So your temperatures out there right now, we are already dropping down into the lower 20s for a couple spots. 21 degrees in DeKalb. It's 23 in Aurora, 25 at O'Hare, 27 at Midway. Same thing in Gary, 27 in Valparaiso. And it's now 29 degrees in Waukegan. And once you factor in that breeze, so a lot of us right now are experiencing southwesterly winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. That's sending wind chill temperatures down into the teens. This is what it's basically felt like all day long. But notice DeKalb, it's already feeling like 8 degrees. So we're starting to see those wind chill temps dropping down into the single digits. And that's going to be the trend at times throughout the overnight because it is going to be pretty gusty. Now, take a look at the Futurecast jet stream. What I want you to focus on with this map is notice what shading of blue that we're in right now. It's kind of that brighter shade of blue. Yes, it's been cold, but watch how this darker shade of blue kind of goes overhead for tomorrow. That's suggesting warmer air. And then we have much colder air that's invading the area on Thursday. And that's because of the really strong cold front that's set to move through late Wednesday. That's the cold front that's going to be triggering some of those snow showers. So your 5-day forecast tomorrow, temperatures are actually going to be very close to what's considered to be average. Average highs are right around 40, and tomorrow we're going to be in the upper 30s, then dropping down to the 20s again on Thursday. And Thursday morning, that's when it is going to be feeling brutally cold out there. We'll have actual air temperatures for a lot of us around 10 to 13 degrees or so. But the winds are still going to be cranking, so that's going to be resulting in wind chill temperatures that are running as cold as 5 to 10 degrees below zero on Thursday morning. Fortunately, we're going to warm up into the 20s during the day. Wind chill temperatures by Thursday afternoon will likely be in the upper teens to near 20 degrees, so we'll get at least a little bit of relief. Yes, it's still going to be very cold, but it's going to feel drastically warmer than what it does Thursday morning. And then we see a nice warm up through the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend. Satellite and radar, we have a few snow showers moving through portions of southern Wisconsin. We're going to track that to our south and our east. We may see a couple flurries from that, but for the most part, a lot of us are just going to end up seeing increase in cloud cover tonight. Temperatures tonight going to drop down to the mid-20s, which that's where a lot of us are already. So we're not going to see that drastic drop. And then here comes that cold front on Wednesday. That's going to be touching off some snow showers during the midday, the afternoon hours, and then especially during the evening. And then moving along into Thursday, that's when that colder air really begins to sink in from the north. Again, we're waking up in the lower teens. Sub-zero wind chills are expected Thursday morning. And then during the daytime, we'll end up seeing some sunshine, but your temperatures are only going to be warming up into the mid to upper 20s. So expect a very chilly Thursday, and then we'll start to get back on track as we go into the weekend. Right now, here's the view. We have southwesterly winds of 11 miles per hour. Wind chills are down to 14, even though temps are still in the 20s. And then tonight, we're only dropping down by a few degrees into the mid-20s. We'll have south-southwesterly winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. 7-day forecast 27 and sunshine on Thursday. And then we should stay dry through the weekend. We're in the mid-40s by Sunday afternoon. Keep it here. We have more local news coming up.